Number 6 of 6 in the Creature series of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks comes Black Stallion. And so let's go ahead and look what's on the back of the box here. The trucks. Oh yeah. There's the Clear Crusher Superman, which I already uploaded. The Night Glow Cage of Batman, which I already uploaded. Northern Nightmare into her favorites. Black Stallion and Creatures. Aftershock and Mud, I uploaded that one. Mohawk Warrior into her favorites. And Megalodon in Epic Editions. I was just getting the trucks that I needed here in 2018, so I wasn't getting all of the trucks, but you might have seen this up here. I got it off of eBay and somebody took the price tag off. Ooh, we get a red station wagon crushable car. At least that's what it looks to me. Alright. Black Stallion into the arena. Let's get this out of the way. Has the BKT tires. I like those green wheels that they have on. Blue cage looks pretty good. The new Monster Jam logo. If it will focus. There we go. Hot Wheels logo underneath there. Some sponsors. Black Stallion. Black Horse. On to the front. Some of the graphics. The other side. I wonder if they ever wanted to try a 3D body for Black Stallion, which would look like a horse. On the back, Michael Vados. I saw him early on in November at the International Monster Truck Museum. There's 2005, 2006 Thunder Nationals champion. And so this truck was from 2013 of Black Stallion. So you see it has the logo for Advance Auto Parts Monster Jam, who was a sponsor of Monster Jam back then. So it was pretty much the Monster Jam logo changed, and they added the BKT Hot Wheel tires to it. That's the only changes I can really see compared the two. So thank you for tuning in, and that's the end of the review of Black Stallion.